Hello everyone, my name is Saklin Mulla and today is 19th of November and I am here to talk about the features of Java. According to the Java, more than 3 billion devices run on it. So what makes it so special is its characteristics. So let us discuss about these characteristics one by one. First of all, it is simple. It supports both, or we can say that it uses both compiler and interpreter. It is secure, it is multi-threaded, and most importantly, it is a platform independent language. So by simple, I mean that the code written in the Java is easy to learn, and the syntax are easy to understand, and also the pointers and also the concepts of the pointers is eliminated from the Java, like the C++, because pointers make it complicated, and also for the security purposes the pointers are not used in the Java. So the second point is that it is the Java uses both the compiler and interpreter. So how does that happen? So first of all, the Java compiler or the Java C compiles the source code into the bytecode, and this bytecode is then interpreted by the JVM into the machine code, which is platform independent. So Java does both. So the Java does both compiling as well as interpretation. The most important point or the most unique characteristics of the Java is that it is an platform independent, which means that the code written in the Java can be executed on any other platform, and this feature is not present in C or C++, because when we compile the code in C or C++, it is only for the machine specific, but when we write the code in Java, we can run it on any platform. So let us understand how does this actually happens. So first, when we write the code in the Java, this code has the when this code is compiled, this code is converted into a bytecode, and this bytecode can be executed on any operating system. The only requirement is that it needs to have the JVM. So when this bytecode is interpreted and the JVM provides the runtime environment, so this bytecode is converted into the machine code, and hence it is an platform independent. Also, the Java has the feature of the OOPS, which is known as the object oriented programming language. The Java strongly supports the object oriented programming language, and Java supports the major concepts of OOPS like abstraction, encapsulation, and inheritance. All the code written in the Java is consisting of objects and classes. The next point is that the Java is a multi-threaded, which means that it can perform multiple tasks at a single time. The example of this can be said to be when we type something in our phone, if there is a grammatical mistake, if there is a grammatical mistake, the error occurs. So we can say that it is we are typing and also checking for the grammar. So this is also a feature of the Java, and these are the important features of the Java. Thank you.